Hey guys, welcome back. I am super excited. I have the September 2023 Color Rush kit. It is called Meraki. So let me show you. It comes in this super sturdy box. All I've done so far is open up the little tape on there. So you didn't have to watch me struggle with that. Okay, so let me move my cardboard aside and let's get in here. So super cute tissue paper that I'm going to try to save as much of it as I can because that can make the cutest layer. I'm going to just go like that so I can save it. It's pretty. Okay, the one thing I do know is that you will be getting a different, let me pull it up for you guys. You will be getting a different alpha. So when I'm showing you the goodies, I will show you the one that you will get. It just wasn't here in time for the design team, but I will be designing with it. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So let me put all of these goodies to the side and we'll jump right. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, my first piece of paper. Guys, look at this. We have got a heart. It is this nice warm color. It's somewhere between like butterscotch and burnt sienna with, it looks like hand-drawn hearts. I love that. That is gorgeous. And then the other side, they're double-sided papers. Yes, I know how to do words. The other side is this really nice grid. It is that same tone with a nice bright white core. So really great paper for a background. And I love when that happens. All right, so our next paper, we have got a gorgeous like mustard and white stripe. The stripes are the same width, so super easy to use there. Let's see the backside. Oh, so it's like a vanilla colored background on it. And we've got these gorgeous florals. And y'all, I think I'm getting my fussy cut on with them. I love the mustard. I love that little bit of pink on the inside. The olive greens are stunning. Love that. Okay. And then the next piece of paper I have got a white with a yellow heart, and now it's a different color yellow. This is more of a sunflower yellow, but the same kind of hand-drawn kind of hearts. And then the backside to that, we have the vanilla background, and we've got gorgeous florals that kind of have this viney vibe. They just are interconnected. And look at the cute little hearts. They look like stitched to me. They're like little dots that are made into hearts. Oh, and guys, the quality of paper, it's nice. It's got a nice thickness to it. Okay, next. The next piece of paper, it is this nice plaid. It's white with just this lovely green, almost an evergreen kind of a plaid. So love that. Like anything you put on top of it, like if you put the florals fussy cut, they're totally gonna pop. And then the backside to that is, oh my goodness, you guys know what I'm doing with this already. I will just be fussy cutting every single little bit on this paper. I love this deep mustard. And then we've got like this nice, like little apricot color. We are going into the teals, the aquas. It is good things. It is good things. That's what I have to say. All right, the next piece of paper, this is back to the same color that we have on the hearts here. It's a nice, easy to use grid with a bright white core. And then the back side of that is a much more concentrated color. We have got, I mean, it's almost like that, like a dirty pumpkin orange, if that makes sense to you. I hope that makes sense to you. It is gorgeous. Like that color is repeated throughout the collection and I love it. I love these different tones of this warm paper. All right, now we've got a nice plaid. It is an olive and white. It's a really nice, deep, saturated color. And then let's see the backside of that. Oh, it's a polka dot. And guys, it is a gorgeous white polka dot with a nice, deep olive background. Guys, look at that. Would you look at those papers? Let's take a moment and just enjoy. Now, this is where I normally would show you the alpha. Right now, I mean, the owner of this kit club is wonderful. She went ahead and sent us these. These are called, hey, they're foam and cardstock letter stickers with a pink foam on the side. But you will be getting, let me find it. You will be getting this gorgeous alpha right here. and I'm getting it later this week. It is called Gathered. Look at how pretty it is. We've got the pinks, we've got those different colors of yellow, the blues. It is going to be gorgeous to use with like a little bit of a stitch mark through it. So I wanted to show it to you, and you know, I'm looking forward to getting it, but I do have an alpha to enjoy for the moment. It's just not the one you're going to get. Let's see. Ooh, look at this textured stuff. We have got like corrugated cardboard, and it's already cut into this wave. We have 2 of them. Okay, that's so darned interesting. Okay, got that. Oh, and we have a goodie bag. Let's open up this goodie bag and see what we have in here. I like that these things are packaged like this. You can totally see all your little treasures. Okay, so we've got a nice little stack of doilies. Great, we've got doilies, and then I have smaller ones too. So 2 sizes of doilies, and it's a nice little stack for sure. Then I've got, what are these? Ooh, it feels really neat. All right, so it's got a little pop-out bits, right? Those all come out, and they're like little ephemera, little bits. They're tags. How cool is that? I've got 4 of them, but they're very, very smooth. So interesting, and I love that the green is in there because it's popping out the green. And then we've got this trim, and guys, look at, trying to see like if it matters which way it goes. I don't think it does, but can you guys see that beautiful texture? But it's not super chunky and fat. Not that I would care because I like super chunky, but it is a gorgeous, like vanilla colored trim. Definitely gorgeous. Oh my word, guys, look at this. All right, so it's in the Color Rush Studio packaging. Look at this little bit. So we've got this little charm, and we've got this rainbow. And yes, I pinched myself. We've got this rainbow with like the deedles on the bottom. How gorgeous is that piece? So that is super pretty. And ooh, we've got squishy hearts. This is pretty. So this is, oh my gosh. So we've got this vanilla tone in here. We've got the mustard. We've got pink and a little bit of the blue. Remember that one piece had some of the teal and the blue in it? Let me go like this. See? And look at how pretty it looks with all of these colors in the collection. Now, if for some reason you are not into the florals, which I am, the flip side is like a plain color. Nice and easy. But they are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at these. I keep opening these things because I want to touch everything. It's a very tactile situation we have going on here. There are the sweetest little fabric-y florals, and they look totally stitched, guys. Look at how cute they are. I love them. All right, so they are absolutely beautiful. I'll put them here so you can see them. Great. All right, so we've got another set of hearts. So those are super florally, a set of 4. And then these are squishy squish. And it's like they give you like corduroy vibes. So I've got this rose colored, I've got a taupe, I've got a sage colored one, and a bit of a mustard tone. Guys, look at all of these little fabric-y embellishments. Cute. And then the last thing I have, they're called Frazzle and Ribbons. And we've got some gorgeous tones. So it's like, guys, like fabrics, and they're frayed and they're beautiful and gorgeous. So I've got a black and white. I have got this one that has plus signs. Ooh, look at this one. It's got florals, and it's all of the gorgeous colors in the collection. And then a white with black print on this one. Phew, guys, this kit is so beautiful. And we've got texture, and we've got dimension, and we've got the alphas going, and things for me to fussy cut, and I cannot wait to get into this. So I'm gonna have links down below where you can get your hands on this kit. You do have a discount. I believe it's 10% if you put Shannon in for a code when you place your order. And I'll leave that down below with the link and all of that. So yes, you just pop in Shannon, get yourself a nice little discount. And if there's anything else, I don't think there is. So I'll have links, And guys, I can't wait to get creating with this for September. So I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye guys.